Hello everyone, welcome to your home decor channel. My name is Glam and Designs. Today I'll be sharing with you a living room tour, and I really hope that you can gather home decor ideas that you could use around your house. So welcome home. Before we get right into the living room, I wanted to share with you my transformation and how this living room used to look like when I just moved here. And here it is. It was dark and that color was way too strong. That closed the space and made it look smaller. Also changing the baseboard and adding light fixtures definitely made a difference. And here's what we have after. The color of the walls is like a silver gray, and also the ceiling being all white opened the space tremendously. So when it comes to the living room, for me, the heart of the whole living room, it has to be the couch, because that's a place where you're going to crash after work, or even if you're just home relaxing, that's the place where you're gonna feel more comfortable. So this couch is from Cedar Furniture. What I love the most of this couch is the L shape. In this case, it's a U shape because it's like round on the back instead of being like an L. And then I also love the white, and that is very comfortable. Even though it's leather, it's very soft. I also loved how it's huge and it fits a lot of people, so it's great for entertaining. I absolutely love how it looks modern, but at the same time, the quilted design all the way on the bottom of the couch and then on the top makes it look comfy and homey. That was definitely a fall in love at the first sight. Something else very important that you should keep in mind is whenever you're gonna buy a piece of furniture that is huge and is gonna involve a lot of money, I recommend to buy it on the holidays. Wait for that close holiday to the time that you're buying your couch or whatever piece of furniture you're buying, because usually they have like the 10% going on or even 15%, and you will save a lot of money by waiting for the right time. And also there's a plus for me, and is that it has these two recliners on the ends, so that is definitely comfortable when you're like watching TV and you just pull back and relax. Something that I wasn't expecting was a USB port. So this couch has a USB port on both sides, on both ends. So that's pretty cool because I can be working from the couch, I can be charging my phone, and I don't have to go to the bedroom or anywhere else. So that was definitely a plus that I wasn't expecting. I also love this middle section right here. It allows me to, if I'm having a drink, just place it in there in the cup holder. It has two cup holders, as you guys can see, and it also has this compartment that is like a storage. I use it for like whatever book I'm reading at the moment, or to store remotes and stuff like that, my tablet. So that's a pretty cool feature that this also has that I wasn't expecting as well, or looking for it. So for me, the pillows are the heart of the living room, as well as the accent pieces. For me, the pillows actually defined whatever style you want to portray into your home decor. So in my case, as you guys see, it's glam. But I also like pieces that makes it feel like home versus more luxury. So when it came down to the color, I really didn't know what color I was gonna choose. I also like blue, but it's not my favorite color, but for home decor, I love it because it's a color that I don't get tired of. So let's begin with my very first pillow, and then from there is where I pick the color that I'm choosing right now. So in my search to finding the right style for me and the right color, I absolutely fell in love with this pillow. Before I was styling using this color, it's like aqua, and it's very pretty, but it's loud, a little bit too loud for me, so I kind of got tired of it. So then I decided to go with this light blue that is kind of like gray. So for me, this worked better because I could mix it with gold and silver, and it's not gonna be too loud. I absolutely loved the design. That's what caught my eye originally, more than the color. Then the silver ones are actually from Amazon, and they're my most recent ones. So I got those at $14.99 for two. It only came with the pillow covers, not with the insert. So still, that was a very good deal. I'm gonna leave the link below on the description box, guys. So if you guys are interested, they have it in other colors. And the one next to the blue, it's actually from Wayfair, and that one was like $35. I really love the fabric, and it really looks very chic. So I love the champagne color as well. Here on top, I have this cute nut pillow. It's actually a pretzel. So this one is from Walmart and it was only like $11, and it's so cute and pretty and like cool to have around. Next to it is this cute silver or gray pillow. I love the quote, live, love, and laugh. And I also love the color. It's pretty neutral, so that was super cute. This one is from TJ Maxx as well. Then we have these two. These two are actually from my last haul. So if you haven't seen it, I'm gonna leave it on the description box below. Check it out so you can see where I got this from. I believe it was from Ross. The one with the sequins is pretty cool because it has like the charcoal color as well as the rose gold. And then you have the white one. This one was from Stay Mart. This blue one was from Wayfair as well, and I love that they're 18 by 18. Since this couch is so high, it allows me to play with different heights of pillows. And then to add a pop of color, it's this blue pom-pom throw. It's so cute, as you guys can see. It looks amazing on this living room. It's like a velvet material, so it's very soft. That was also on my last haul, and it's also from Stay Mart. This white one is so luxury. It's actually from Sears. It was like $23 and it was on sale for $13.99. They have it in different colors. I highly recommend that. It's soft in the inside out. The inside is like a light brown and the other side is white with brown, so it's super pretty and comfortable. And on top is this nut pillow. This nut pillow is from Walmart as well. The color is mint. And I absolutely love this pillow. It's just super adorable. This rug is actually from Ross, and I found that a day that I wasn't looking for a rug, but I said, you know what, let me look around. And I found it at a very good price. I love that it's huge, and the horizontal lines make the space look wider. This sofa is from El Dorado Furniture, and I love how it's complementing my other couch. And I also love that it's quilted on the back and on the actual sitting, so that kind of plays well with the other couch. A cool thing that has is that the back end, it goes up and down depending of the mood and how you want to set it up. So that's something pretty cool that I like. One of my favorite things is that it's very modern. This blanket is actually from Costco, yes, believe it or not, and it was on sale for $9.99. I have it for several years now and it's excellent. It's super soft. The more I wash it, the better it gets. So if you see this kind of blankets at Costco, don't be afraid to buy them. Then these two blue pillows, I love the pattern, and these are from Home Goods. They came in a pack of 2. Also, the silver ones are from Home Goods. I love the pattern. It's like a Givenchy signs it reminds me of, so it looks pretty chic, fair. And underneath, I have this cute little basket that I use to store candles. Once I saw this basket, I was like, oh my god, this is so pretty. It's not glam, but it's so unique because it's made out of like wire, so it's kind of like industrial rustic look, but at the same time it's just so adorable that I couldn't let it go. So I said, you know what, let me put it underneath the table to store my candles, since I always like to be changing the scent around the house, so I have a lot. And also I put magazines inside. So my coffee table, it's from Wayfair. I bought it on sale for like $183. It usually goes for like $250, somewhere around that. I love how the color is like a champagne but more silver. It was very easy to assemble, and you just gotta screw the legs. I did it by myself. It's pretty heavy though and sturdy. So when it comes down to styling my coffee table, it's also one of my favorite parts because that's gonna define the style. So I started with this tray. This tray is from Burlington and it was like $30, and it is a mirror tray. Then I placed this sign. This actually is from the Dollar Tree, believe it or not, and it looks so cute in here. And right next to it, we have these heart flowers. These are the flowers that last for a year. As you guys can see, it was red inside. They were originally red roses. It's the best roses I ever got in my life. It was a gift on my last birthday, so I had them for like 8 months and they're intact. So I think they're gonna last longer. They're so pretty. I love how it's rose gold and silver, and it also has like that sparkle multicolor. So it's just gorgeous. They're actually from Le Fleur. And to preserve them, they also come with a cover. So I moved these ones around my whole house and they look great everywhere. Right next to it, we have these beautiful mirror candle holders, and they are from Amazon as well, from Dorado Furniture. It was in my last haul, so check that out if you want more details about it. So I found these cool candles. They're black candles, battery operated, from the Dollar Tree. I couldn't believe it when I saw them. I was like, oh my god, I need to get this. It looks so chic and beautiful. And I just grabbed two and I thought of placing them here, and I absolutely love the way they look. My set of coasters are from Bath & Body Works, and I love that you can change the picture inside. I had them for a long time, guys, and I haven't changed the pictures. I'm thinking to add pictures like of monuments all around the world, but I guess it's not a priority because I haven't done it yet, so maybe later on I'll show you guys what I decide to put inside. And to the left, I have this candle holder or candelabra. This is from Home Goods, and it was only $79.99. I love that you can put different lights inside, or candles. In my case, I'm using these medium-sized ones. They're like tea light shape, but they're a little taller. They're from the Dollar Tree. Obviously, I picked them up like four for $1, so that was a steal. And as a tray, I'm using this charger plate. This charger plate is actually from Z Gallery, guys. And I love how it's mirrored on the corners. They're like little mirrors in different sizes. So I have another haul for you where I have these and another item that I'll be showing here, but I'll be posting it later on. Then I have this little bouquet of flowers that I picked up at Burlington, and then my designer books. Ta-da! The light fixture. So this light fixture is actually from eBay, believe it or not, and it was only like $120. When I saw this light fixture, I was very excited because I've never seen anything like this. So I love unique pieces like that. So I love that it's so different, and it also has these crystals all over that it will pop on this living room. I also had to go with something that is not that low, otherwise it will close the view between the TV when I'm sitting down. And when it came to styling the wall, I really didn't know what to do because I wanted a piece from El Dorado Furniture that it was very expensive, but that was way out of budget. So I ended up choosing these frames. These came in a set of 2, and they are from Ross, and they were like $25 for a set of 2. So what I did is I put them on the floor, and I decided the way I wanted to place them on the wall. That is the easiest way. I've seen many of these all over the place, so all you have to do is pick the ones you like, design it on the floor, and then envision it, and it will look amazing. The thing that caught my eyes of these frames, it's basically the French style. They're mirrored inside, so they absolutely pop in this wall. On the side table, I have this lamp that I picked up at Home Goods. This awesome picture frame, it's from Kirkland's. And what caught my eye was the French style. Then I have another set of coasters like the other ones I showed you guys before. And finally, these flowers that I put together. The base is from Amazon, and the flowers are from Michaels, as well as the crystals inside. This concludes this living room tour. I really hope that you guys liked it. Let me know your comments below. What is your favorite part? If you jump in, where would you like to sit? Thank you so much for watching and for the love and support. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified every time I upload a video. I'll see you around, guys. Ciao.